Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today we're going to see what we can learn from a commercially sold fire starter kit. And this is produced by Greencamp Outdoor Malaysia. So this is made in Malaysia. Previously, I did check out and review their survival kit. So do check out the link in the card above or the description below if you missed that. So this fire starter kit, it's got some information over here. Stay warm, stay alert, signal rescuers, find shelter. So just general information, same as the survival pack. Over here, I think this is specific to the fire kit. So it's 40 pieces inside. There are 5 pieces of cotton wax, 10 pieces of cotton wool, 5 pieces of wax wood. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be fat wood. 2 pieces of round candle, 2 pieces of alcohol swabs, 5 pieces of memo paper, 4 pieces safety pin, fire matches, lighter, a paper knife, some jute twine, and steel wool. And then we've got fire rules: always practice outdoor, keep away from children, practice fire safety. Alright, all great tips in this package. Again, the package is similar to the previous one. This is aluminum, it's a foil packaging, and we can just rip this open. It's got that nice ziplock kind of closure so that you can reseal. So let's see what we have inside. It is quite full, but it is relatively lightweight. It's got a collection of items inside. Let's try to get everything out. Lots of cotton balls. Yeah, and that's about it. Okay, let's have a look at the cards first. So there's 2 cards, I guess. Okay, let's look at this one. So this card came with the survival kit as well. There are survival fishing tips on one side, and then we've got survival priorities on the other side. And over here we have some information. It looks like a bit of a drawing, and it's how to start fire in the rain. So I don't want to go through this in detail, but let me just have a quick read. Collect tinder, find kindling, fuel and wood, make sure it's all dry. Once you've collected, go under some shelter, and then they teach you to build a crisscross fire lay, and then start the fire. Well, they don't really talk about starting a fire with the items in here, which I think that should be the case. So this is kind of a generic explanation on how to start a fire, but not using these tools. So I think that is a missed opportunity, because it seems like there is quite good stuff here. Okay, let's start with the steel wool. So fine grade steel wool, good as a tinder. You fluff that up like a nest, and that creates a nice hot spark. So good, definitely good to have. We have some jute twine or jute rope. This looks like about 2 mm thick. So you tease this open again to form some kind of a bird's nest, and this takes a spark or flame very well as well. So that's decent. As mentioned, lots of cotton balls. Cotton balls are inexpensive, so I can see why they would put that in, and adds a lot of volume. And of course, it's very important to keep this dry. But once you do, then you do have a good tinder source just to start the fire. Alcohol swabs, 2 of them, good for tinder as well, and for cleaning yourself if you need. And we've got what they call the wax wood. So they had this also in the survival kit. There are 2 pieces. I did not think this is fat wood. That looks like there's some resin inside, but I really can't be sure. But I guess I should try this out in the field. But they give 5 pieces, and this would be great kindling, whether or not it's real authentic fat wood or high quality fat wood. Got 2 tea light candles, great to have, especially if you're in the dark and starting a fire. You get a light going, and then you can use that also to light a bigger fire. Got a lighter, strike flint wheel style lighter, and this is the waxed cotton, which was also in that survival kit. And I think this is a great way to prep some kindling. Very flat. But I do believe this is going to burn for quite a bit for you to build, again, a bigger fire. Some matches. Again, this was in the survival kit, and my comment on this: if you are building your own fire kit, you don't want to use these cheap matches. You can get good quality, stormproof, windproof, waterproof matches. We've got safety pins. Not sure what this would be used in terms of fire starting. Any ideas? If you've got any ideas why these safety pins are inside a fire kit, do let me know. Off the top of my head, I can't really think why. We do have the same sort of blade, kind of a arts and craft razor. You know what? Let's see if we can actually create shavings with this blade from this wood. And I think I definitely can, because this is very light and soft wood. So let's do this safely. Yeah, you could definitely create shavings. I guess so. For the purposes of this particular fire kit, and to use it, not to process, let's say, natural wood that you might find, but to use this soft wood that they actually provide. Yeah, I think this would work. You would have to try to prevent this from moving too much. Maybe you could wrap it with a bandana or something. If not, there's that safety issue. As you can see, even as I was pressing, I could feel the blade coming down on my finger. But yeah, in a pinch, kind of a survival situation, you definitely could get all the shavings, and if you use any other source of tinder that they provided, you definitely could start a fire and get that going. So definitely practical. And then again, some paper. This is just notepad paper. Again, you can use this, I guess, to fuel the fire. So there you have it, all the items in this fire starter kit. Generally, I think it's a pretty well thought out kit. There's supposed to be 40 items. I didn't count them, but I assume they're counting all these individual items as one of the 40. So really, it's about maybe over a dozen different ways to start a fire and multiple pieces of those same ways. What do you think of this kit? I think it's generally well thought out. I do have my own fire kit, which I did a video on as well. So do check it out in the link above or the description below. So I've got some items which are similar, but this kit was really designed for, what I think is the most practical for myself in terms of what I want to carry around, the environment I'm in, and my skill set as well. So you can check out that video to see what's in my fire kit. But if I had nothing else, I wouldn't be too unhappy with this, I guess. Some of the items should definitely be upgraded, as mentioned. The matches, maybe the fat wood, although to be fair, I haven't tried this out. And some other items I might include. Now, the price for this particular kit is about $7 US. Previously, I shared this and I actually made a mistake. I said it was about $6 or $6.50. This advanced survival kit that they sell is more like $9 US. So this is $9 US with 55 items inside, with lots of variety inside as well. And you can check out that video in the description as well. So this particular kit has 40 items, which is really more than a dozen. It's about $2 cheaper. In terms of value, I'm not sure if I get the same value as the advanced survival kit, because I do get some of those things in that advanced kit. But as a learning tool, if this is something you're new to and you're thinking what to put together in a fire kit, this definitely offers some ideas for you to put your own things together. And a lot of these items aren't that expensive as well. But sometimes you have to buy them in bulk, like the cotton wool or the steel wool, for example. Well, let me know your thoughts. What do you think of this fire starter kit? What do you think they should have taken out? What do you think they should put in? And what do you think these safety pins are for? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.